Have you ever wondered why someone once fell so deeply in love with you, almost as if they recognized your soul, only to slowly pull away, to drift into silence, or to disappear altogether? It's one of the deepest heartbreaks we can experience, being seen, or thinking we were seen, then suddenly feeling invisible again. You might ask yourself, was I not enough? Did I do something wrong? Was any of it real? The truth is, it was real, but maybe not in the way you thought. Carl Jung, one of the great explorers of the human soul, believed love isn't random. It's not chaos. It's a map, carefully written by your unconscious mind. A map designed to lead you back to yourself. Today, we're going to walk that map together. And I promise you this. Once you understand it, you will never see love or loss the same way again. Love feels like a spark, right? A sudden flash in the dark. Unpredictable. Mysterious. Magical. And it is magical. But it's not without reason. Behind every accidental connection, behind every breathless first meeting, there are invisible forces at work. Your unconscious mind has been carrying memories, desires, wounds, and hopes, all layered together like a secret song only certain people can hear. When you meet someone who strikes that chord, it feels spontaneous. But it's not. It's ancient. It's familiar. Love is not luck. It's resonance. Think of yourself as a beautiful, unfinished puzzle. There are pieces missing, pieces lost to time, to pain, to survival. There are pieces you never even knew existed, until someone comes along and touches them. When someone enters your life and your heart leaps, it's because, in some mysterious way, they carry a shape that fits your missing spaces. It's not about the color of their eyes, or the sound of their laugh, or the way they text you goodnight. It's about how their presence unlocks a part of you that had been sleeping, a part of you that was waiting, aching for something more. Attraction isn't about perfection. It's about remembering. Sometimes someone falls for you because you represent something they lost, or something they were never allowed to become. Maybe your confidence reminds them of a time when they still believed in themselves. Maybe your kindness heals an old, silent wound they never dared speak aloud. Maybe your freedom ignites a rebellion in them, a rebellion they had buried under years of duty, fear, or shame. You don't even realize you're carrying this light. It's just who you are. But to them, you are a miracle, a living, breathing symbol of something they longed for but could not claim. They fall not just for you, but for what you awaken inside them. The dangerous part is, if they don't realize that the source of their longing is inside them, they may attach their healing to you. They may try to own it, to preserve it, to control it. And when you cannot save them from themselves, because no one can, the illusion fractures, and love turns into disappointment, not because you failed them, but because you were never meant to complete what was broken inside. Love built on projection feels intense. It feels fated. It feels written in the stars. But it's delicate, because it's not rooted in reality. We project onto others the qualities we suppress, the dreams we gave up, the love we deny ourselves. We see in them what we most want to see, and sometimes what we most fear. And when they don't perfectly reflect back our fantasy, we feel betrayed, even though, deep down, we were never really seeing them at all. We were seeing a story we wrote long ago, a story they unknowingly stepped into. And no matter how much someone loves you, they cannot live inside your fantasy forever, nor should they. True love begins only when projection ends. Inside every soul, there are ancient images, blueprints shaped by family, by culture, by myth. Carl Jung called them the anima and animus, the feminine soul within the man, the masculine spirit within the woman. These archetypes live quietly in the background until someone steps into our life and brings them roaring to the surface. You meet someone and they fit. Not perfectly, but essentially. They match the flavor, the feeling, the forgotten dream you've carried all your life. It's not about physical beauty or intellect. It's about essence, about the way their soul touches yours. When this happens, the connection feels inevitable, like a memory you're trying to remember, but can never quite explain. It feels like destiny. It feels like fate, but it's not fate. It's psychology. It's the deep unconscious recognizing itself through another. At first, the love is pure fire, uncontainable, infinite, sacred. But no human being can embody an archetype forever. No one can live up to being a fantasy. Eventually, real life steps in. Flaws appear. Disagreements arise. Complexity replaces simplicity. And when that happens, many people feel disillusioned. They pull away, confused, angry, hurt, not realizing that the collapse of the fantasy is the beginning of real love. Because real love is messy. It's raw. It's imperfect. It demands that we love the human in front of us, not the symbol we once projected onto them. And that is a harder love, but a truer one. Love is not here to complete you. It's here to awaken you. Every love, even the ones that shattered you, was a teacher. Some loves reveal your strength. Some loves expose your wounds. Some loves shatter your illusions. Some loves set you free. Every heartbreak, every longing, every goodbye has been sculpting you into the person you are becoming. Love isn't punishment. It's preparation. It's the soul's way of whispering. Wake up. Heal. Grow. Become. When you see your patterns clearly, when you see the invisible hands that have shaped your loves, you stop searching for salvation in someone else. You stop trying to fix your emptiness through another. You become the source of your own wholeness. And from that place, love transforms. It becomes less about needing someone and more about choosing someone, choosing to walk beside them, choosing to build, to share, to grow, not out of lack, but out of fullness. This is the beginning of conscious love, of love that does not imprison, but frees. So the next time your heart leaps toward someone, or someone feels irresistibly pulled toward you, pause, breathe, ask yourself, what part of my soul is waking up right now? Because love, true love, is never just about finding another person. It's about finding the forgotten parts of yourself, the parts that waited and waited for the right mirror to appear. And when you see them, when you claim them, you won't just fall in love with someone else. You'll fall in love with yourself, with the wholeness you were always meant to become. And that is the kind of love that can never be taken away. Not by rejection, not by loss, not even by time, because it lives inside you, where it always belonged.